Hi there folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing the difference between the Kelt reeds and the balanced tone drone reeds. I have the balanced tone drone reeds in the pipes right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow them up and listen to the reeds to see how they sound right out of the box, and then we'll give them a couple of minutes to warm up and see how they sound. We'll do the same thing with the Kelt reeds as well. And then we're going to talk about the pros and cons between the two brands. So they sound pretty good right out of the box without any warm-up. So warm-up time, and we'll see how they sound. Alright, a couple of minutes is up. Let's blow them up and see how steady they are, and if we have to do any retuning, which usually you have to. So I had to flatten the outside tenor and the middle tenor. The middle tenor in my pipes tends to be a little bit finicky with drone reeds sometimes, but this one actually seems to be working okay. The bass drone and the outside tenor, they rarely ever give me any issues. The one thing I like about the balanced tone reeds is how easy it is to change the pitch of them. You literally have to take it out of the pipes and move this part backwards and forwards or up and down to change the pitch of the reed, and it's that simple. And then you just have to change the bridle, how far up and down the tongue is, to change the strength of it. It's that easy with these things. So let's put the Kelt drone reeds into the pipes and we'll do the exact same thing. Alright, Kelt drone reeds and pipes, let's see how they sound out of the box. So they sound pretty good right off the bat. What I was doing with my hand above the drones is I was feeling how much air was coming out of the top. This one I felt just a little bit more than this one. So let's adjust that. And then this one is a little bit higher up on the tuning pin that I prefer. So let's use the Allen key provided in the box and we'll adjust that. So I made the necessary adjustments. Let's try again. So those sound pretty good. Now, the one thing that I noticed about the Kelt drone reeds versus the balanced tone drone reeds was that the balanced drone reeds were actually more mellow and less voluminous than the Kelt drone reeds, aka they were quieter. So for a solo setting, the balanced tone reeds would actually be more preferable than the Kelt reeds simply because of the volume. In a solo setting, you don't want as much volume. You want it to be a little bit more mellow because you're on your own and the judge wants to hear a little bit more of a mellow pipe, but you still need to keep your chanter at a reasonable pitch so that they don't think that it's old school. With the Kelt drone reeds, you could probably use them in a band setting because they're a little bit louder and you want volume in a band setting. So that is one thing that I noticed between the two reeds. Pitch-wise and tuning-wise, the pitch is good. The tuning is pretty comparable between them. It's just the easiness and convenience of changing the pitch between the two reeds. The Kelt reeds, you have to use the Allen key, and if you have lost any of the Allen keys that come in the box, it's not difficult to find Allen keys in a store or in a set that are the same size and that can easily be replaced. Can easily replace the ones that come in the box. So that's really those are the really two big things that I noticed between the reeds is the convenience of tuning and the volume. So I hope you found today's video helpful and full of information that you can use. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, guys.